Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making some beef pulao, and here I just have some of the ingredients, and this is the handy dandy glass that I love to measure my rice with. I always use this glass. That glass holds about 3 cups of rice if you measure it with a regular measuring cup, and I'm going to use zebra rice, my favorite rice to use. So 1.5 glasses of rice, 2 pounds of beef, 2 green chilies, 1 tablespoon ginger, 1 tablespoon garlic, and 3 tomatoes. Here in a pot I have 1 cup of oil, and to that I'm going to go ahead and add sliced onions. I have 2 sliced onions here, and we're going to go ahead and saute those till they look something like this. And now we're going to go ahead and add about half a cup of water, and we're going to stop the cooking process. So if you want your rice to be dark, then you have to have the onions cooked really dark. And after the onions are done, I'm going to go ahead and add the meat, the green chilies, the ginger and garlic paste, the tomatoes, and half a tablespoon of salt. Now, for each glass of rice that I use 1 tablespoon of salt. You can use salt according to your diet, but and by tablespoon I mean the spoon that we eat with. So I used 1.5 tablespoons of salt, and after about an hour your meat should start to look like this, and at this point you should check it to see if it's tender, and go ahead and put the flame high, and we're going to go ahead and saute the meat. While the meat is being sauteed, go ahead and wash your rice very well and soak them for about 30 minutes. And here I added half a teaspoon of red chili peppers, and we're going to continue to saute that and for about 10 minutes, and add the water to it. Now for every 1 glass of rice I'm going to add 1.5 of water, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of zeera, and 1 heaping tablespoon of garam masala. Go ahead and drain the water from your rice and add the rice to the pot, and we're going to cook this on high flame, and mix it with a very light hand. You don't want to be really vigorous with it, and when it reaches this point, there's going to be a little bit of water. You'll see bubbles forming on top, and this is the point when you need to go ahead and lower the flame to lowest, and cover the lid with a cloth or a towel, or maybe a foil, and cover the pot and let it cook on very low for about 25 to 30 minutes. And after that your rice is done. This is a no fail recipe. Try it, and hopefully yours will turn out perfect just as mine. Do mix it with a light hand. Make sure you're not mixing it and where the rice are breaking. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and stay tuned for more recipes to come. And hopefully this was helpful, and this was absolutely delicious, and they came out perfect. So thanks again for watching, and see you again with another recipe.